Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha narrates that once a man came to serve the Prophet ﷺ and sought a permission to enter. Prophet ﷺ said, "He is a bad member of his tribe." When he came in, Prophet ﷺ talked to him in a very polite manner, and I have never seen him talking so politely to anybody else till that time. The Prophet ﷺ entered the house, and I wanted to enter too, but he threw a stone, and it hit me, and I went back. I said, "O Allah's Apostle, why are you afraid of him, though he is a bad person?" The Prophet ﷺ said, "Did you see how he looked towards the right and left? Is there any escape from the punishment of Allah once it has overtaken a person?" Then they went away. At that time I heard the Prophet ﷺ saying, "Were I not afraid that other people might take him as an example for avoiding punishment, I would inflict the punishment on him." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23409.